Hello and welcome to English 2. I'm your online teacher, Miss Abear. We have been analyzing Dr. Martin Luther King's letter from Birmingham jail. We have looked at his rhetoric, we have looked at his word choices, we have looked at his argument, we've looked at his claims, his evidence, his reasoning. We have looked at so much from paragraphs, I believe 1 through 21 or so, somewhere around there. Now we are halfway through our unit and we are going to be taking a mid-unit assessment today. Before we get started with it though, let me remind you that when we get finished with this unit, so lesson 20, we will be writing an essay. So this is our mid-unit, and then we're going to be at the end writing one about analyzing how Dr. King develops and refines his claims to advance his purpose in Letter from Birmingham Jail. So you guys should have lots and lots and lots of notes and different tools in your toolbox, in your binder, that you can use to help you answer that question and to write a well-developed multi-paragraph essay. Today on our agenda, you will see we're going over our lesson agenda right now. You will do some homework accountability, and then we'll have our mid-unit assessment, and then our closing. And so you see lots of standards in the standards in text section, and we are only looking at paragraphs 1 through 21 of Dr. King's speech. So because I want you to be the most prepared that you can be to write this mid-unit assessment, let's go over your homework, or let me let you work with a partner or a small group and talk about your homework and what you completed there. Take that rhetorical impact tracking tool and discuss as you prepare for this mid-unit assessment. Great job. I don't want to hold you up any further, so let me give you your writing task. This is a blind task. This is exactly what you will be enduring or encountering when you get your state assessment. At the end of the year, when you get your state assessment, you will have to read a text and answer a writing task. For our end of unit task, you know what that task is going to be. Right now, you're writing with a blind task, but you have all of your notes, and you're not going to have to use your time to read. Now, you may need to reread some things and scan some things, but let's look at what your mid-unit assessment is. So, your task, rely on your reading and analysis of paragraphs 1 through 21 of Letter from Birmingham Jail to write a well-developed response to the following prompt. Determine a purpose in Letter from Birmingham Jail and analyze how King uses rhetoric and specific word choices to advance that purpose. I want you to look at your board and see what all you can use to assist you in writing your essay. You have so many tools at your disposal. I want you to use all of those tools, okay? Use them all. Have your work spread out. I'm going to go ahead and give you your homework, and then you can come back and pause at that slide so that mid-unit assessment will stay up so you can write the entire time, okay? For homework tonight, I want you to preview tomorrow's lesson text by reading paragraphs 22 through 25 and determine King's purpose in this section. Write a brief paragraph in response to the question, what is King's purpose, in paragraphs 22 through 25. Use evidence from these paragraphs to support your response. So I'm going to go back to your mid-unit assessment, and I'm going to ask my producer to leave this slide up. And until next time, happy reading and happy writing and happy learning.